welcome to the Travel Visa channel. Today I'm in Budapest, Hungary, and I'm going to be showing you my hotel. So come with me. Okay, so we basically got an upgrade, a free upgrade. We got upgraded to like the top room that they had in the hotel. We're staying at the Prestige Hotel Budapest. So this is just like a work table, that sort of thing. Then come over to the like seating area, which is really comfy. These chairs are honestly so comfy. Some more over here as well. Come to the bedroom. This is like the bed. It's really nice in here. And then we just go down here, and got the toilet in there, and then a really nice sink, shower, bath, which is really clean, by the way. And then I'm just going to show you the storage room, which I'm really like impressed with because I'm making the camera run. Just storage for our clothes, and then loads of storage, which I'm really impressed with. Mini fridge and a really good coffee machine. I hope you enjoyed this video.